Why does your scanner show the P060C engine code? What does it mean? P060C is a diagnostic trouble code for internal control module main processor performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECU. Specifically, it means the PCM has detected an issue with its internal processing capabilities. This can manifest as a discrepancy between expected and actual calculation results within the PCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective controller or programming error. Power supply ground issues. CAN harness issues. Aftermarket tuner's chips. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Fiat, Ford, Mazda, Lincoln, Chevy, etc., but are not limited to. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.